everybody needs to be very smart and wise how you speak and how you bring this injustice to light. Don't mix politics. It's an act of injustice. It's their land. They are fighting. They want their land back. It's not a religious. We have nothing against the Jews. They have nothing against the Muslims. It is land. It's injustice. Children are being killed. Women, young and old, men. I mean, anybody you're hearing from Gaza, they say, we don't know, and especially those who sends videos daily, this is how they say, and they're smiling. Literally, there's a young man, I can't believe it. He said, I don't know, this could be the last one. Salam alaikum. There's a 12-year-old boy, I don't know if you are following. Those of you who know Arabic, you should. His name is Aboud, 12-year-old. The first day he was carrying a bottle of water, empty as a mic. Every single day he talks to you, says, listen, do you see, do you hear? And he's smiling. Literally, you want to be strong, listen to these things. He says, I don't know, I may not see you tomorrow. Salam alaikum, see you in Jannah. Wallah. So this is how we need to be. This is something we all will learn from, is their resilience. Yani, I've never seen people as resilient as this. It's something books will be written. History will write their resilience, not what they are going through only. But their resilience, their patience, their belief, their yaqeen, learn from it. Be strong, resilient, full faith in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, do what we need to do, what we can do. Bi-idhnillah.